What's up guys, I'll be back inside this channel and today I'm going to show you how you can create a system restore point in Windows. So it is really useful to create a system restore point, and there are many reasons. In case you play around with some very important settings and you cannot revert to it, having a restore point comes in really handy. You can just roll back to that restore point and your PC will be good as new. So when there are virus attacks, when you play around with Regedit, registry, I'll show you it. So this is from my experience. There are some files like this, and if you play around with this, like the value and all, if you change it, your PC or your system will be gone forever. So if you have a restore point, that will be really helpful for you. So let's see how to make it. Just go to the search bar and just type in create a restore point. Yes. So this tab will open up, and now click on configure and turn on system protection. The current usage, it was 1.5 gigabytes for me. That means there was a restore point for me. So I'm gonna create a new restore point. I'm just allotting 6% because I'm really low on storage. I only have 11.6 gigs free. So I'm just allotting 3.42. Apply, okay, and create. And you can just give a name. So I'm just gonna give the date 7 August 2020. Create. So it might take some of your storage, but it's really worth it. So it will take a while because it has to go into all the root folders of your system. So yes, you'll have to wait for the while. So then you'll get a pop-up like the restore point was created successfully. Click close and OK. Now after some days, hopefully it doesn't happen, but in case something bad happened and your PC ran into a problem, you can either go into the advanced settings and go to restore point there, or if your PC can turn on and work properly but not as good as before, then just go here, type in system restore, the same dialog box in system restore, and just click next. Select your restore point. There's an option for scanning affected programs, so you can just skip the restoring and just delete or change those programs. So next, and if you click finish, it'll start restoring and it'll take some time. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and rate. Peace.